Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Hamster Kombat on iPhone. Hamster Kombat isn't a standalone application and it's actually a game built within the Telegram messaging app. So in order to get Hamster Kombat working and to get access to Hamster Kombat on your iPhone, all you need to do is to download the Telegram app. So go ahead and open your app store and then search for Telegram within the App Store by typing it down with the help of the search box at the top. Now once you find this Telegram Messenger app, tap on the Get button or the Download button and wait for the application to install. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Telegram Messenger. Click Start Messaging at the bottom and then enter your phone number in the text box after selecting your country code. Now once you are done typing in the phone number, click on Continue. You will then receive a one-time passcode sent to you via SMS on your provided phone number. Once you enter the code, you will then log into your Telegram account. After logging in, go to the search box at the top and then search for Hamster Kombat. Open up the Hamster Kombat bot with a blue tick mark on it and then tap on Play in one click and click on Launch. Soon after you do that, you can now see that you have successfully opened up your Hamster Kombat bot. You can now start playing Hamster Kombat directly from your Telegram account by opening up your Hamster Kombat bot. So that is how you can easily download Hamster Kombat, or in this case, let's say, how you can access Hamster Kombat bot using Telegram. In this video, we will be learning how to join a Hamster Kombat channel. In order to join the Hamster Kombat channel, first of all, you'll need to open up the Telegram application. Right after you open up the Telegram app from the main homepage, go to the chat screen and then click on the search box at the top. Type in Hamster Kombat and look for this Hamster Kombat icon with a blue tick in it. There are multiple Hamster Kombat channels on Telegram. Make sure you join the official one. After you do this, go ahead and click on subscribe to the channel and you will be able to join the Hamster Kombat channel right away. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Hamster Kombat account. Hamster Kombat is a Telegram-based game, so in order to log in to Hamster Kombat, you will need to access a Telegram account. If you don't have already, go ahead and download the Telegram application using your App Store or your Play Store. Type in Telegram in the search box and search. Once you open up this application info page, tap on the install or the download button and install the Telegram Messenger. After you've done it, tap on Open to launch Open Telegram app. In order to log into your account, you will need to go ahead and enter your phone number. But before that, select your country code and enter a phone number and tap on the Continue button. After you do that, on the next page, if prompted, or if you have two-step verification enabled, you will need to type in your Telegram account's password. Enter your password and click on Continue. If you haven't enabled two-step verification, you will need to enter the SMS code sent to your mobile number via SMS. After you follow through the instructions, you will then be able to log into your Telegram account. Once you get to this chat screen, go to the search box at the top and type in Hamster Kombat. Open up the Hamster Kombat bot with a blue tick in it. Click on the play option at the bottom left and click on launch. Wait for a few minutes and you will then be able to access Hamster Kombat bot. And that is how you will be able to log into Hamster Kombat. In this video, we will be learning how to add Hamster Kombat to Townkeeper. Hamster Kombat doesn't directly integrate into Townkeeper as a feature. However, you can connect your Townkeeper wallet to the Hamster Kombat platform to participate in the game and manage your tokens. So here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure you go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and then go to the search box and type in Townkeeper. Make sure you download this Townkeeper Town Wallet application on your device, and after it is completed with the download process, tap on the Open button. Soon after you open up the Townkeeper wallet on your mobile device, from the first interface, create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are getting started with Handbook, you can tap on Create New Wallet, create a passcode for your Handbook wallet, re-enter the passcode again, and your wallet will now be ready. After you have your wallet ready and you are in the main wallet interface, go ahead and make sure you back up your wallet. Go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. From the settings menu, select Backup. Click on Backup manually and write down the recovery phrases on a piece of paper. Make sure you keep your recovery phrases confidential. After backing up your wallet or creating a new wallet for Handbook, go ahead and open up the Telegram application. Access Hamster Kombat bot and open it up. Now, once you open up your Hamster Kombat bot on your device, go ahead and click on the airdrop button at the bottom right hand corner. Click on Connect Your Wallet and click on the Connect Your Wallet button once again. Now select Handbook from the list of applications and click on Yes. If you want to enable notifications, you can select this box over here. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Connect Wallet. Enter your passcode for your Handbook wallet that you previously set up and you will be able to connect Hamster Kombat and your Handbook wallet. So that's how you add Hamster Kombat to Handbook. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture in Hamster Kombat. First of all, tap open your Telegram application to get started and make sure you open up your Hamster Kombat bot. Once you launch Open Hamster Kombat bot, you will then end up in the main home screen. As of now, there isn't a direct way to change profile picture within the Hamster Kombat game itself. Hamster Kombat is primarily focused on gameplay and strategy rather than customization, so while you can't change your profile picture directly in the game, you might consider keeping an eye out for future game updates. The developers might add this feature in the future, so since Hamster Kombat operates within Telegram platform, changing your Telegram profile picture might reflect in your in-game profile. But if you want to change your skin on your Hamster Kombat game, then simply open up the game and from the exchange page, click on your name at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile where you can go ahead and select skins and make sure you purchase one of your skin preferences and it will be applied as your profile picture inside Hamster Kombat and you will be able to change your skin on Hamster Kombat. So as of now, that is the only thing you can do regarding profile pictures or skins on Hamster Kombat. In this video, we are going to be learning how to refer a friend on Hamster Kombat. Hamster Kombat offers a referral program to encourage players to invite their friends. So here is how you can do it. First of all, tap open the Telegram application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed into your account and make sure you open up the Hamster Kombat bot. Once you open up the Hamster Kombat bot on your device, go to the bottom section of the screen and tap on the Friends button. Inside the Friends menu, you will be able to see Invite a Friend button at the bottom. Tap on it and you will be able to share your referral link or your invitation to Telegram by selecting one of the contacts from the display. Once you choose the contact, click on the Send button. In order to send a unique link or code to your friends, tap on the Copy button right next to Invite a Friend at the bottom and you will be able to copy the invitation code. Now you can go ahead and open up any messaging platform, select a contact and paste in the referral code in the chat box. Now you can send in the code and there you will be able to share your referral link to your friends. Now your friends should click on the referral link that you shared and they'll need to create a new Hamster Kombat account and your referral is recorded by the game. So that is how you can easily refer a friend on Hamster Kombat. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change language of your Hamster Kombat account. To change language on your Hamster Kombat account, first of all, launch open Telegram application. From the chat page of Telegram, go ahead and open up your Hamster Kombat bot. Tap the play button at the bottom left and load up the Hamster Kombat bot on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main homepage for Hamster Kombat, you'll now need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on Select Language. Choose the language you want to change to from the list, and then you will be able to change the language setting for your Hamster Kombat account. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Hamster Kombat account. To log out of Hamster Kombat, you will need to log out of Telegram application. Hamster Kombat is a Telegram-based game, and your interaction with it is tied to your Telegram account. So, go ahead and close the screen for your Hamster Kombat bot by clicking on Close at the top left if you have opened up Hamster Kombat bot on your mobile device. Now get back to the Telegram homepage, and from the main homepage, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, click on the Edit button at the top right corner and click on Log Out at the very bottom of the next page. Click on Log Out once again and click on OK. Soon after you do that, this will effectively disconnect you from Hamster Kombat as it relies on your Telegram account to function. So that's how you easily log out of Hamster Kombat. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how you can delete Hamster Kombat on Telegram. To delete your Hamster Kombat Telegram account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open your Telegram application and open up your Hamster Kombat bot. After you are connected to your bot, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, from the options, tap on Delete Account. Click on Delete Account if you are sure you want to proceed further. Remember that deleting your account will get rid of all of your data, including game progress, achievements, and purchases, and the action cannot be undone. After you proceed and delete your account, you will be able to get rid of Hamster Kombat account using Telegram. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.